Good morning, students. As last time, uh, on the online class, I had just explained till question number 9. So I'll be moving further. Okay, here are a few properties. The same properties you can see in the book itself. So I'll explain it from book because that is the short, and here it is in explained way. So if you will see properties of subtraction, what are the properties of subtraction? The number subtracted from itself is 0. That means what? You can see over here 59531 minus 59531. That means 59,531 minus 59,531. Same number is subtracted. So when same numbers are subtracted, the result is 0. Like 42 minus 42, it will become 0. 9 minus 9, it will become 0. In same way, if you will see properties number 2, 0 subtracted from any number gives the number itself. That means when we subtract 0 from any number, we get the number itself. Like 4 minus 0, 0. 97 minus 0, sorry, 4 minus 0, it will be 4. 97 minus 0, 97. 32 minus 0, 32. No changes will be there. As you can see over here, it has been written 1,23,950 minus 0 is equal to 1,23,950. If you will see third property, 1 subtracted from any number gives its predecessor. And if you remember on first time when I was teaching on whiteboard, that time also I had explained, of course, predecessor is 1 subtracted from any given number. So you can see over here it has been said 49,239 minus 1 is equal to 49,238, which comes just before 49,239. So what comes just before any number, that becomes predecessor, and what comes just after, that becomes successor. So now it is 2h over here. By using the same properties you have to write. If you will see both the places the numbers are same, so what we will be writing? We will be writing over here 0, because if 0 is subtracted from any number, then the number is same. Here also you can see it is 53956 and minus 0 is there. Same rule is applied, property is applied over here also. 0 is subtracted from any number, then the number is itself. So this number will be only there. Result will be, this number will be only there. From this 0 will be subtracted and then same number will be there. So here it will become 53,956. I have given the solution also. And if you will see over here, it is 1,58,950 minus dash is equal to 0. What we had learned, that the number subtracted from itself is 0. That means this number should be subtracted from the same number, so the result will become 0. So here will be also the same number, that is 1,58,950 should be in this blank. If you will see question number D, same number is subtracted from same number. So what will be the answer? 0. So by using properties in this way we can do. And now here it is about find the predecessor of. Already I had said when you have to find the predecessor, you have to subtract 1. And language, how you will be writing, as you can see I had written over here. In this way you will be writing the predecessor of 38,499 is equal to 38,499 minus 1 is equal to 38,498. When you will subtract 9 minus 1, it will become 8 and all will remain same. I hope all of you are understanding. So in this way we had completed exercise 2H. Now before starting exercise 2I, we will be reading the text and example before that. And if you will see, this is page number 42 and this is the page number 43. So only one example is there. Okay. And one line text is over there. Addition and subtraction together. That means till now we have done either addition or subtraction. When it comes addition and subtraction together, what you can do, you can add two numbers at first and the third number you can subtract it. Or if all three numbers are there in addition, then you can add all three at once. If first is subtraction, then you can do subtraction at first and then after addition. Okay. So it's also stepwise. In two steps it is done. As you can see over here. Example 14, evaluate 53,952 plus 2,40,352, sorry, 2,40,358 minus 1,68,888. Here are three numbers. You will see the first two are in add. So here it has been added. We first add 53,952 and 2,40,358. While adding, same traditional method is used. You can see 8 to 10 carry 1 is written over here. Then 5, 1, 6 and 6, 5, 11 carry 1 again goes to 100 place, and 1 and 9, 10 and 10 and 3, 13 is over there. So again carry 1. 13 means 1, 3, 13. So again carry 1 goes to thousands place, and again 1 and 3, 4. So 4 came. Now there is only 4. So no carry 1. Okay. Now if you will say 5, 4, 9 and 2. So while adding, what it becomes? It becomes 2,94,310. And then after the addition of these two, you will be subtracting. You can write is equal to 2,94,310 minus 1,68,888. Here such a step is not done, but if you will see in my solution, I had done stepwise. When one step is solved, then after that step, what step we will be writing, what we will be doing, that steps also I written. You will watch when I will be showing you my explanation. So now if you will see what you have done second time, from this addition, from the add of these two, that means 2,94,310, the remaining number is subtracted, that is 1,68,888. So you can see over here, now subtract 1,68,888 from 2,94,310. So what will be happening? We have to subtract. From means at the top, okay, and here also this becomes the bigger, so this from this will be subtracted. So you can see here it has been written. You can even write ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakh, or if you do not desire to write, you can't write also, no problem, but numbers should be written. You can see at first it has been written 2,94,310, and from there you have to subtract 1,68,888. So after that it has been written 1,68,888. Now students, from 0 8 will not be subtracted, so 1 gives carry to this and it becomes 10, and 1 from 1 has taken carry, so here left 0, so 0 is written over here. You can see. So now 10 minus 8, it becomes 2. Now from 0 again 8 will not be subtracted, so again this 0 is taking carry 1 from this 3 and it becomes 10, and this 3 changes to 2. So 10 minus 8 becomes 2, and now again from 2 8 will not be subtracted, so again 4 is giving 1 carry to 2 and it becomes 12, and 12 minus 8 is 4. Now when 4 given 1 carry, here left 3. Again from 3 8 will not be subtracted, so 9 gives 1 carry to 3 and it becomes 13. 13 minus 8 is 5, and if you will see 8 is bigger, of course it is bigger than the 6, so 8 minus 6 is 2, and 2 minus 1 is 1. In this way it is subtracted, and at last it has been written thus: 53,952 plus 2,40,358 minus 1,68,888 is equal to 1,25,422. So students, after this example there starts exercise 2I. Here also it is evaluation, and of course I had solved all the evaluation. You can see the stepwise. I did in the question also, so if you will not watch over here, then also it can become directly we can go towards the solution. Only you should understand that this is evaluate, because I had written the number itself over there. If you will see 2h number, yes, this is the question. First number 1,50,000 plus 16,509 minus 88,388. So what we did, we added 1,50,000 and 16,509. At first you can see over here 0 plus 9 it is 9, 0 plus 0 it is 0, and 0 plus 5 it is 5, and 0 plus 6 is 6, and 5, 1, 6 and 1. So it becomes 1,66,509. So in next step what he has written, 1,66,509 minus 88,388. By adding this, what came, that I had written, and I had written the next step, that means this is equal to this much, and then we had subtracted. Again from 1,66,509 we had subtracted 88,388. You can see from 1,66,509 we had subtracted 88,388. Of course I had not shown carry over there, but you can understand it. 9 minus 8 is 1. Now here from 0 8 will not be subtracted, so giving carry 1 to this, then this becomes 10. 10 minus 8 is 2, and here remains 4, so 4 minus 3 is 1. Again from 6 8 will not be going, so taken carry from here, then it becomes 16. 16 minus 8 is 8. Now it is 5. From 5 8 will not go, so 1 has been given carry, so it became 15. 15 minus 8 is 7. So here is 0, no need to subtract. So what becomes the answer? 78,121. And I had written the same answer over there, that is 78,121. In this way you have to make. If you will see question number B, okay, it is 48,387 minus 12,999 plus 1,09,325. If you will see what we are doing, at first we are subtracting, because subtraction is there. 48,387 minus 12,999. If you will see over here, I written 48,387 minus 12,999. So from 7, 9 will not be subtracted. So what we will do, we have taken 1 carry from 8, and this 7 changes to 17, and this becomes 7. I have written over here carry over exchanges also. So 17 minus 9, it becomes 8. Okay, now here it is 7. So from 7, 9 will not go. So 3 gives 1 carry to 7, and it becomes 17, and this 3 changes to 2. So 17 minus 9, it becomes 8. Now from again 2, 9 will not go. So 8 gives 1 carry to 2, and it becomes 12, and 12 minus 9, it becomes 3. And if you will see, this is 7, 7 minus 2, it becomes 5, and 4 minus 1, it becomes 3. So at last what we can say, that while subtracting these two, we got how much? 35,388. 35,388. Students, writing the number in proper order also matters. If you will see, after subtraction of this, it becomes 35,388 plus how much it is? 1,09,325. Some students start to write from here. No, you shouldn't start to write from here. Always when you are writing this 1,09,325, so 5 should be just below 1, 2 should be just below 8, and then after 100th place should be just below 100th place, 1000th place should be just below 1000th place, 10,000 place will be just below 10,000 place, and lakh place will be just below lakh place. As there is no lakh place over here, so after 10,000 place will be coming lakh place. So placing the number also plays a vital role, a very important role it plays. So you should know how to place the numbers. Now while adding the C, 8, 5, 13, 3 carry 1, I had written 8, 1, 9, and 2, 11. Again carry 1, I had written 3, 1, 4, 4, 3, 7, no carry, so 9, 5, 14, carry 1. So 3 and 1, 4 I had written, and then after here comes 1. So what it becomes? It becomes 1,44,713. So I had written in third step, that is the final answer. That is how much? 1,44,730. If you will see next question number C, it is 1,68,777 minus 49,000 minus 577. It is 2 consecutive subtractions. So at first we will subtract this first 2, and then after what the result will come from there, we will be subtracting 577. You can see over here, I had written over here 1,68,777 minus 49,000. So 7 minus 0, 7, 7 minus 0, 7, 7 minus 0, 7. And from 8, 9 will not go. So this 6 gives 1 carry to 8, and it becomes 18, and 18 minus 9, it is 9, and when 6 has given 1 carry, so here left 5, so 5 minus 4 is 1, and 1. So what it becomes? It becomes 1,19,777. So when we subtract 1,68,777 from, okay, when we subtract 49,000 from 1,68,777, we got how much? 1,19,777. So I had written over here 1,19,777. And minus, here it is 577. So we will be subtracting 577 from 1,19,777. So now I had done the same thing. You can see over here 7 minus 7 is 0, 7 minus 7 is 0, and 7 minus 2, sorry, 7 minus 5, of course it will become 2. I had discussed earlier what is the finger method of subtraction. You can use that also. So 7 minus 5 is 2, and 9 is there, 1 is there, and 1 is there, because there are no numbers just above, just below 9, 1, and 1. So it will be as usual, and it will become 1,19,200, which has been written over here, 1,19,200. And the last question of question number 1, it is all 3 are consecutive addition. Okay, all 3 are consecutive addition. Okay, and here I had done subtraction. I think there is a problem. Let me see what is the question. Sorry, it is consecutive addition. Students, here it has been done mistake. It should be added over here. So you have to make it correct. Okay, you have to add both the things. Okay, I had added only. If you will see 1, 9, 9, 3, 12, 2 carry 1, 4, 1, 5, 5, and 3, 8, and 6, 3, 9, and 1. Okay, sorry, only minus sign is wrong over there. You can change this minus sign into plus and it will become answer. You can see plus 63,900 is over there. So you will add, sorry, here it is minus sign. So you have to change it into plus and all thing is right. Addition, you can see I had just added 0 and 1, 1, 9 and 0, 9, 9, 3, 12, carry 1, 4, 1, 5, 5, 3, 8, and 6, 3, 9, and 1. So by mistake, this it has been written minus, but it should not be minus, it should be what? Plus sign. This same sign should be there over here because all three are positive. I hope you all are understanding it. Now if you will see question number 2, what is there in question number 2? Let's see. Fill in the correct missing digits from the given box. Here a box is given and you have to fill in the correct missing digit. How to fill it? Let's see. 112, 257. It is addition, okay? So now, from what 2 should be subtracted to get 5? Already we had read that when we add subtrahend and minuend, then we get, when we add subtrahend and difference, then we get minuend digit. So 5 and 2, 7 should be there. So 7 minus 2 will become 5. Okay. So 5 plus 2 becomes 7. So 7 will be writing over here. As you can see over here it is 7. Now from 9, how much will be subtracted? So it will become 6. It's very simple. From 9, how much will be subtracted to get 6? Then in case that, what you will do, from minuend you can subtract the difference and you will get subtrahend also. So 9 minus 6 it becomes 3. So 3 should be there. So it becomes 9 minus 3 is equal to 6. I hope you all are understanding. Now here it is 7 and 8 and add is over there, so we know. Okay, sorry students, it is addition. I was subtracting. Sorry to everyone. 1 1 2, 2 and 5 7. What will be added? 2 plus 3 it will become 5. Sorry, okay, I had said earlier as subtraction. Now here what will be 3? So 2 plus 3 will be 5, and now here it is 6. So 9, so something will be added, then it will be increased only. So 9 and 7 it will become 16. How much? 7. So 7 will be there and 6 will be over here and 1 will be carried. So 7 1 8 and 8 8 16. So 6 will be here, and then after here of course 1 will be carried over here, then 7 and 1 8 it will become. So 8 6 3 5 all comes, 3 comes over here, 7 comes over here, then after 6 comes over here, and then after 8 comes over here. As you can see over here I had written, here it is 3, addition is there. So 2 3 5, 9 7 16, 6 carry 1, so 7 1 8, 8 8 16, so 6 carry 1, 7 and 1 8. In this way you will be making. If you will see here it is subtraction in next number. So from what? From 8 what will be subtracted? So it will be 8 only. We know when 0 subtracted from any number, then the number is, the result is the number itself. So 8 minus 0 will give 8. 7 minus 2 it will give 5. So 5 will be here. So here it will be 0. Here it should be 5. Now how much minus 5 will give 9? We know when we subtract from the greatest one digit 9 also 5, then we will be getting 4, not 9. So there should be 2 digit. Actually we do not write 2 digit. That means from 14 when 5 is subtracted, then it becomes 9. So 14 4 will be written over here. What it will be written? 4, because 1 will be taking carried from this. Understood? So 4 will be over here, and now 1 it has been given carried. So how much it will be remaining over here? 4. So from 4 7 goes, then it becomes 14. Sorry, 7. So what will happen? 7 7 14. Again here should be 14. So again it will be taking carry 1 from here. Okay, 1 will be taking carry from here. So here it will remain 2, and from 2 what will go? Then it will become 6. Then that is any number if we will subtract from 2 one digit number, then it will not become 6. So it should be also a 2 digit number. It should become 12. Then 12 minus 6 is 6. So again 1 is taking carry from here. So and at last here is 8. So here it should be 9. So that 1 will be taken can carry. Then it will be remain 8. So 9 will be here, and 12 minus 6 is 6. So 6 will be over here. Understood? So 6 will be coming over here. 9 will be coming at first place. And in this third box what will be there? 4. And in this fourth box what will be there? 9. And there 0. You can see over here same thing I did. 8 minus 0 is 0. 7 minus 2 is 5. Then after 14 1 taken carry. 14 minus 5 is 9, and then here remains 4. So again taking carry from here. Then 14 minus 7 is 7, and here it is 2. So again taking carry from here. So it will become 12. 12 minus 6 is 6, and now here it is 8, and nothing is below. So it will be as it is. Or you can say 8 minus 0 is 8. So now we will move towards question number 3. As you can see over here, question number 3. Subtract the sum of 88,756 and 10,345 from 5,23,400. So from will be at first. And students, till now you might have not get a concept of bracket. So I am introducing a concept of bracket. Bracket means what? What is inside the bracket? That work should be done earlier. So if you will see this same thing I had written in the form of bracket. Here it has been said it should be added first, then it should be subtracted from 5,23,400. So I written 5,23,400 because from that it has been subtracted, minus in bracket I had written 88,756 and 10,345. So this why I had written in bracket, because this should be added at first, then it should be subtracted from 5,23,400. So we had added, you can see over here 6, 5, 11. So both the same numbers are there. So 6, 5, 11. Carry 1. 5, 4, 9 and 1, 10. So 7, 1, 8. 8, 3, 11. Carry 1. 8, 1, 9. So 9 and 8, 1, 9. So it becomes 99,101. That means 99,101. So from 5,23,400, what we will be subtracting? We will be subtracting 99,101. And when we subtract, let's see over here. From 0, 1 will not go, so this 0 will not give carry. So from 4, this 0 at first taking carry, then it becomes 10. And this 10 gives 1 carry to next 0, then it becomes 10 and it becomes 9. So from 10 goes 1, that is 9. And here remains 9. So 9 minus 0 is 9. And 1, when 1 is given carry, so there it is 3. So 3 minus 1 is 2. Now here it is 3. So from 3, 9 will not be subtracted. So from 2 it has been taken 1 carry, so it becomes 13. 13 minus 9 is 4. Again here remains 2, 1 has given carry, so here remains what? 1. So 1 will not be subtracted from 9. So 5 gives 1 carry to 1. So 1, 1 it becomes 11, and 11 minus 9 is 2, and that 4 as it is over here. So it becomes 4,24,299, which is there here written as answer 4,24,299. So students, this was all about exercise 2i, and before exercise 2j there are some teacher supports and also estimating sums and difference topics. So we will be watching that. You can see over here in teacher support what it has been written: fluency and understanding of the students and where to add, subtract is very essential for the further arithmetic working. That means fluency. Fluency means what? We should be fluent in what? Addition and subtraction. By knowing the question, by reading the word problem, by listening the question, we should know what we have to do. Either we have to add or subtract. So students, I want to give you a few words which indicates add and subtraction. When it is said total, generally it means add. When it is said total, that means we have to add. Okay, and all together, that also means add. Okay, and in same way sum, 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 when it is said, then also it is add. These all things indicates add. In same way subtract, how much more, how much less, which one is bigger by how much. Bigger also said that in bigger no need to add and subtract, but simply by watching the places and its places digit we can say which one is bigger. But by how much or how much big or how much small it is said, then in that case you have to subtract. Okay, these are the things which you have to keep it in your mind. Now here it is, subtraction is used further for division and addition for multiplication. What is it is said over here? Subtraction is used further for division. You might have read in class 3 division by subtraction method, continuous subtraction method. Like when 8 divided by 2, then how much it will become? If you know division, you can say directly 4. Or if you don't know, then simply go on subtracting 2 from 8. Once you will subtract, then you will get 6. Again you will subtract, then you will get 4. Again you will subtract, then you will get 2. And again you will subtract, then you will get 0. So where we get 0, then the remainder becomes 0. And up to how much time we get 0, that much time becomes quotient. So we had subtracted 4 times, so 4 becomes quotient. And of course, if there it doesn't comes 0 and the subtraction number becomes bigger, then that becomes the last left number becomes remainder. I hope you all had understood. in exercise such question will be coming when we will go in divide and multiplication also that time. So we will be discussing at that time. So good practice of both the operations is must for the student. That means you should do the better practice of addition and subtraction. How to do better practice, students? For doing better practice, what you have to do? The work which I am sending, you watch the video, you understand it, you copy it. Okay, no problem. If you are not, if you can make by yourself, then don't copy, make it by yourself. Then you match the answer in the answer key, or you can see the process through my given papers. Okay. So this is how we should practice. Now here comes the next topic, that is estimating the sums and differences. Students, estimating means to assume, to get assumption. Now you will be saying, what assumption? Suppose sometimes when we are going to play game, then mother asks, go fast and come first. Okay, then we say, no, up to half an hour I will be playing, or no, up to 1 hour I will be playing. But students, have you ever estimated that what you had said, you are staying sometimes more than that and sometimes less than that? When estimation is not the exact, when you are saying, no, after 1 hour I will come, are you every time exactly coming at 1 hour? No, sometimes 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes earlier. Sometimes what happens? 5 minutes, 10 minutes delayed also it happens. So estimating means coming near to a value, not exact value. Sometimes you might have been seen, your parents are planning for picnic or tour outside or anywhere, then just they check the money in the purse and then after say, okay, it is enough. How we are saying enough? We are estimating that this much expenditure will be there if we will go in picnic or in market for purchasing or in a restaurant or hotel to eat. Okay, so that estimation is necessary. Sometimes what happens, when you yourself goes to fair with your friend and when you ask the money, okay, you estimate and say, give me this about 50 to 60 rupees or 60 rupees or 70 rupees, because we are knowing in 70 rupees what you are thinking to do in the fair, everything can be done. So that is estimation. So if you will see the text over here, you can see Margina has to buy a bike which costs rupees 95,970 and a helmet which costs rupees 4,725. As an estimate, she will carry 1,05,000 with her. Now what it is said? She wants to buy a bike whose cost is rupees 98,970 and a helmet whose cost is rupees 4,725. So as a estimation, that means she has estimated, okay, if I will carry 1,05,000 with me, then it will be enough. Of course it will be enough. You add, it will come about 1,01,000, not more than 1,01,000 also. Okay. So, but she had estimated how much? 1,05,000. So her estimation is bigger than the expenditure. Actually, students, we should always keep the estimation bigger than the requirement. Why? Because while going in market, suppose you have taken the money and your estimation is lower than your requirement, then again you will come back and you will take the money and then you will go. It will increases the work. So always estimation should be make bigger. Okay. But here what we will be learning? We will be learning estimation on the basis of digits position and digits value. So you can see over here, the amount rupees 1,05,000 does not tell the exact cost of both the items, but just an estimate that will help Margina to carry approximate amount with her so that she can buy the items even the cost is a little more or less. Yes, that's why I was saying same thing, that it does not give the exact value, but keeping an estimation will help Margina if the prices raise also. So she has taken about 4,000 more. Suppose if prices of helmet raised by 1 or 200 or 500, it can be adjusted. If the bike cost raised by 1,000 or 1,500, it can be adjusted. So always our estimation should be bigger. But here I have already said we will be reading about a scientific way of estimating. So students, you can see over here it has been written. In class 3 we have learnt about the rounding of the number to the nearest 10 or 100. Extending in the same manner, we can round off a number to the nearest 1,000 and 10,000 by focusing the digit at hundreds place and thousands place respectively, and round it up or round it down. So round it up and round it down means what? Here it has been also said that you had read in class 3 rounding of number. So if you had read that in 10th place we see the ones digit. If ones digit is 5 or more than that, then we add 1 to 10th place, that is rounding up. If it is 5 or more than 5, then we add 1 to 10th place, that is what? Rounding up. And when it is 5 or less than 5 in ones place, then we do not add anything to the 10th place and simply the ones place becomes 0, that is rounding down. In same way, in 100th place what happens? We see the 10th place digit, that means the second digit. If it is 5 or less, we round it down, nothing is added in 100th place, and 10th and ones place will become 0. And if it is more than 5, we add 1 to 100, and 10th and ones place, of course there also it will become 0. In same way, if you will see, in 1,000 and 10,000 here we will be reading. So for 1,000, what we will be watching? We will be watching 100th place. As you can see over here, it has been done. 5 is over here. I had already said for ones and tens, if it is 5 or more than 5, we will be adding 1 and it will be rounded off. So you can see 1 is added to 1,000th place and all becomes 0. This is rounded up. If it is less than 5, we can see over here it is 3 at 100th place. So it should go rounding down. And its nearest 1,000 becomes 6,000. All will become 0. Nothing will be added. So this is all. You can see estimation helps to make judgment of amounts or quantities. Estimation helps in making judgments of amounts and quantities. If you had seen your parents in estimating a gathering like a Mundan or Chatiyar or anything, then the person estimates. Okay, I will be inviting 100 person. This much vegetable will be there, this much food price will be there, this much cookman price will be there, this much things we have to give, and all together by all expenditure summing up, they comes to an estimation. And with that estimation, they keeps money with it. You can ask to your parents also, they will also explain you more about estimations. As you are sitting with the parents in this lockdown, your parents will be helping you too much. In same way, just you have to also obey your parents, and you have to support your parents, and you have to read so that they will be always happy from your side. Okay. So from here it has been written also, if the digit at the hundreds or thousands place is 5 or more, we round up thousands or 10,000 place respectively, otherwise down. Already I had said 5 or more, then it should be rounded up. And if it is 5 or less, then it is rounded down. Either it is 100 place, 1,000 place, 10,000 place or 10th place. In all cases, in 10th place we are watching ones digit, in 100th place we are watching 10th digit, in 1,000th place we are watching 100th digit, and in 10,000 place we are watching 1,000th digit. That's all. So next time I will be explaining you from this below each one of the numbers. Till then, do all the works, practice, and make yourself better than earlier in this lockdown. Utilize the time. You can become the genius if you will utilize the time properly. Thank you. Thank you very much to everyone.